We came to see the Kuchaman Fort. It was a very short ride through the city. It was interesting. It was half of the road is in construction, which means it's split in half lengthways, and one half is about knee-deep mud, which we stayed clear of, but the rest wasn't much better either. It was a little bit more solid.
Dusty.
Dusty, crazy
Sandy.
Sandy, very sandy.
We eventually found our way around it, and then we went through these increasingly narrow streets to this place. We could guess came across a gate, and suddenly about 30 women came out, and they were telling the guys, open the damn gates. And they wouldn't, so they had their English-speaking relative come out and work out what we were doing, and then another youth motorcycle came out and guided us around. Honestly, people are so kind.
We couldn't have found it without that guide, because it was going through walk lanes that we wouldn't have even noticed they are there, so narrow. I wouldn't have done this even on a scooter in Bali a couple of months ago, let alone on a bloody Himalayan. And it was challenging. We got to the fort, we are in front of the fort, and the most solid surface to park the bike on for me was cow poop. David is parking on sand.
On a rock.
With a rock under the bike, hoping that it will last until we come out. And then I don't even want to think about how we're going to get back to the hotel.
We'll be fine. We'll work it out. We always do. Okay.
We haven't really done so much sand. We haven't really done so much sand ever.
But we made it.
And we are not even close to the desert.
And we didn't fall off.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I'm going to go look at the fort now. This minor fort, not the Ajmer Fort or the Red Fort or any of the big ones, but it was spectacular. Made it all the more beautiful by the fact that we were the only people looking around, and we had this guide that was just, you had enough English words to say soldier's place, king's room, and so forth.
It was amazing. So we spent half a day just wandering around. Took a while to climb up to the top.
Cost us some sweat, but that's okay.
Good workout.
But we'll post some videos on the blog as well. And now we're off to Bikaner for the Camel Festival. It's going to be a big day of riding.
A whole, again, 250 or some 230 kilometers.
At 60 to 80 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, listed as 5 hours. It may take longer for us. But we'll get there.
But the bus trip, on the other hand, is 18 hours, so we're doing pretty well. This place that we've stayed in has been amazing. It's 9/10 of a 5-star hotel. It's got everything. It's got amazing staff,
comfortable, spacious, awesome
environments. Yeah. But the thing is that 5-star hotels are designed to be non-specifically Western. Here's my tourism scholar face of hearing. They're like cruise ships. They're designed to be non-specifically safe Western, without any local colour. And this has local colour, which I like. But yeah, it's a little different, but it's certainly a luxurious hotel. It had a pool. We didn't go in because it was too cold. Yeah, who goes swimming in the middle of winter?
But it was good to have some comfortable rest for a few days with no agenda, without having to climb over luggages to get to the bed, and without sleeping on a floor hard surface. So it was good to have some comfort for a change, but now we're throwing ourselves into the real, close to desert life, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it is in the desert. This is sand. This is sand.
So we can only hope that it's not going to rain on the road. It's really foggy and cold again. Rain and sand, I don't think is a good combination.
Rain and Indian traffic is not a good combination.
So let's hope it won't rain. We will be cold again, but we have a whole day.
It is.
So, yeah, see you in Bikaner.
Absolutely. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. So Bikaner is about 50 kilometres away. We're just here at the side of the road.
I think the roads are boringly good.
Yeah. Well, not all of them.
Well, other than a couple of when you cross towns and between good roads, there are atrocious short sections. It's two extremes, but most of the road has been really, really good.
We decided to take a western road rather than just going on the freeway the whole way. It really paid off, but there was some fascinating bits and pieces. There was also quite a little bit of mud that we had to go through, and dust and sand and everything, but yeah, we're doing okay.
Very dusty.
We're dusty, and we're going to be slightly more dusty, or 50 kilometres more dusty by the time we get there, but yeah, it's so much fun. You were amazing. Well, we've arrived in Bikaner. That was the traffic around the where we actually came in was pretty hectic.
Yeah, just the town itself.
But she handled it really well.
Stalled it in third in the middle of a roundabout. That was lovely.
And dealt with it. It was easy. Yeah, so you made it look very, very easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Traffic is crazy. Roads are crap or non-existent. But we arrived and seems to be quite a lovely place.
And there were camels. And there's a pub.
And there's a pug again, a brick one this time.
Awesome. So we're going to go and check in and we'll...
Show you around Bikaner soon.
That sounds good.